Speaker, as you're aware, we'll be visiting the Sugar Belt this weekend. Kakamega, to be specific. Anyone who thinks they can block me from Kakamega is welcome to try. Mr. Speaker, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Agriculture, Livestock and Fisheries on a matter of national concern regarding the lapse of a common market for Eastern and Southern Africa, COMESA, sugar safeguard regime and its impact on the sugar sector in Kenya. Mr. Speaker, the government has indicated that the sugar sector in the country has attained competitive levels and will not experience any disruption following the lapse of the COMESA sugar safeguard regime on November 30th, 2025. However, the declining interest in sugarcane growing within the larger population, coupled with the old production mills in the sugar belt, may undermine the sustainability of the perceived competitiveness. In the statement, the committee should address the following. Number one, the total acreage of land currently under sugarcane cultivation compared to the data from 2023 and 2024, and obtain information on the strategies being implemented to encourage sugarcane farming and sustain its growth. Secondly, the projected local sugar production in 2026 vis-a-vis the estimated domestic consumption demand in the year. Thirdly, the anticipated tonnage of sugar imports for 2026, including details on the quantities already in shipment to Kenya or at the port awaiting clearance and offloading. Fourthly, the measures in place to address any anticipated shortfalls or surplus, particularly with regard to locally produced sugar. And lastly, how farmers will be protected from the unscrupulous traders who import sugar and repackage it as locally produced sugar. I thank you, Honourable Speaker.